Today we're going to be installing an armrest cover on a C7 Corvette. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Scott and today we are going to be installing a C7 armrest cover for the center console. This happens to be a good friend of mine, and we are going to be replacing this I'm going to call pad, where it's not really a cover per se, but we're going to be replacing that with this beautiful black with red stitching cover. We're going to go ahead and I'm just going to show you how to put this on. I always tell you guys that there's a lot of simple installations. Well, this one is really simple. As you can see, that just came right off there. All right, guys, now that we got our other cover off, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this little guy on, okay? So the trick to this is being able to get it up on this front corner, okay? And then you're just gonna walk it around. So you're just gonna walk it around, and sometimes these things can be a little temperamental, right? But so just take your time, and you'll get it. It just goes up and over. And so just get it started to go around the edges, okay? And then you can lift the cover up and you can stretch it up and over, okay? So we're gonna come up over this top edge here and get it around there. We're gonna walk it underneath, just like that, okay? Bring around the back side. We're gonna lift this up now, okay? And just get it all the way wrapped around, okay? And then you're just gonna kind of smooth it out, just like so. And it'll find its happy spot, just like that, okay? And it will just fit right on the seam. This is like perfect size for this. There we go. And that's it, okay? It looks great. The finish feels awesome. It actually has some, just like the seat covers again, they have that memory foam that's underneath, so it gives you a nice feel in here too. So it just looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead, you saw how easy that was to install. So we'll just go ahead and get you taken care of. I'll put all of our information right here up on the screen, okay? So guys, if you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, I ask you that all the time. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you'll be alerted of our next uploads. And guys, we'll catch you on the next video.